How to trade Forex on Thinkorswim 2025. Forex trading attracts many beginners, but most people lose money because they skip the basics. Here's how to trade Forex on Thinkorswim the right way in 2025. First, you need a Timur trade account with Forex trading enabled. Not all accounts have access by default. Once approved, open the Thinkorswim platform and go to the Trade tab. Select Forex from the asset list. You'll see major currency pairs like Rust and GBP. Click a pair to view charts and pricing. Before placing a trade, analyze the chart using indicators like moving averages or RSI. You won't believe how much this helps decision making. To place a trade, choose buy or sell, set your position size, and review margin requirements carefully. Forex uses leverage, which magnifies gains and losses. Most people get this wrong by over-leveraging. Start small to manage risks. Thinkorswim allows advanced order types like stop losses and take profits. Always use them. Monitor your open positions under the Monitor tab. The surprising truth is that successful Forex trading is about discipline, not speed. In 2025, Thinkorswim remains a powerful platform for Forex traders who take time to learn it properly. Subscribe for more trading guides focused on smart risk management.